Hey guys, it's Vegas Tom at the Newport Nature Preserve here near Anaheim and Orange in California.
And what do you see?
It's kind of like a bay area which connects onto the Pacific Ocean, and it's connected by a river. So part of this park is salty, but part of it isn't really that salty.
Okay.
And honestly, like, if you're visiting or like passing by, you've got to stop this. You got to stop by this.
There's a lot of walking trails, right?
Yep.
What else is there here that it offers?
It also offers fishing or swimming or...
And close it up, Tom.
Have a great day, Anaheim and Orange.